In daily it's around its opening price, so it might close around its opening price. And 4 hour looks bullish. There is no wick in the current candle. It was sideways for 1 to 3 candles, means 4 hours. So yeah, there is bullishness for the upside. And this candle swept took all the SL, so it can continue for the upside. Okay, nice. This was a good displacement. The selling wasn't that strong, and current candle is also looking good. 15-minute good displacement, but no retracement for us to enter. One thing that can happen is we can trade the 15-minute fair value gap. So we are bullish in GBP, and it's a straight move. So we have to wait for a 15-minute fair value gap. So 15-minute FEG and 1 minute or 3 minute breakout structure, and we can enter. So it's exactly around its opening price. Okay. For hours bullish, it gave a breakout. Same here, swept the lows. There was this order block, but the retracement, okay, but it took out the lows. Let's see 1 hour. 1 hour gave a breakout structure for the downside. Okay, this displacement was good. It should have continued from here. This good displacement fair value gap should have, it filled it, and after this breakout, it should have continued. But maybe it was waiting for the New York session, and it might continue from here. How much stretched it is in daily? It is quite stretched in daily. Okay, so we are bullish. Same, we have to wait for a retracement. Here I will wait for 3 minute breakout structure after the 15-minute FEG, because you can see the downside displacement is also nice. Like in GBP, you notice it is already giving a breakout, but Euro is lacking. This is a good displacement, but the selling displacement was even better. So we need 15-minute FEG, but we also need a 3 minute breakout structure, which will take a while. So don't have to look at it for a while. Okay, AUD is still bullish. It is strongly bullish. It has already taken these highs. I've marked the level. It should continue for higher target. Let's see. Smaller time frame. 4 hour is looking really good. Yeah, it only held for one candle, but that's fine. The momentum is strong, so that's good. 1 hour, you can see, nice. It was in this zone for a while. This is a very strong candle, so we can go with the flow, and that is a good thing. And where the problem is, let's see if we can. Same, we can't have any more, nothing, but our only choice is 15-minute fair value gap. And because this is a strong momentum, not like Euro, this is a very strong momentum. It is already around days high. So in 15-minute FEG, we will wait for 1 minute break of structure. Is there a 5 minute order block? Nope, just a continued momentum. Yeah, so the best thing we can do is the 15-minute fair value gap and a break of structure. It is still bearish. It is in the daily. Okay, it can sweep this low, and but this it was in this inside candle for 1 2 days. Now it's going down, so it can continue. 4 hour, there is no, this candle was a it is a neutral candle, so yeah, it can continue. It held for one candle, that is enough. This was a great breakdown. One candle it held, and now it can continue. So it's a good time. We have a pullback. This is a very good inverted hammer also we have, and this candle has no wick, so it is good for sells. The direction is JPY. The direction, we are right about the direction. Only thing we have to look for is good entries. The 50-minute fair value gap IFVG is a little high. There is a this order block. Let's see if we have a 5-minute something. Okay, so we will wait for 5-minute fair value gap and 1-minute breakout structure, because you can see the 15-minute fair value gap is over here. If it comes, that's good, but otherwise it can retrace a little bit and continue for the downside. If technically this is the order block over here, so it can, which is also a 5-minute fair value gap, that's a good thing. So we can trade this level. Okay, 15 OB. So OB and 1-minute breakout structure. FVG slash OB and gold. Okay, so it is also trading around its opening price. 4 hour is bullish. This was a good breakdown. Like in the morning, we planned to sell gold. If I'm right, yeah, we were planning to sell gold, but 7:30, the retracement. This is a good recovery, but I don't think it will continue for the after a breakdown like this. It cannot go to these highs in this session. The probability is low. Let's see 1 hour if there is a good displacement. Okay, it's not bad. The string displacement was there. This is a strong candle. It held this level for 1 2 3 candles, and this 2 candle are good displacement, so it can take out the Asia highs and might close around the Asia highs or opening price after taking out the Asia highs. But I would like to go half quantity because it's still in this range. It can just hover around here and might not give a good momentum. Like already it has given a good displacement, but we need a retracement to enter, and gold, the problem is it doesn't retrace. I'll wait for a retracement to this fair value gap. So we are bullish in gold, 15-minute FVG, and this FVG is also the breakout of this range, so it can retest this level. And 1-minute breakout structure, it is a little low probability, so I will go with half quantity if that happens. And NQ, let's see if NQ is good. Okay, daily is bullish. 4 hour it was sideways, gave a breakout, came in the order block. Candle strong. This is a little strong closing. It should have closed somewhere around here after coming the order block, but fine. Okay, 1 hour breakout is good. It hasn't closed yet. It will. Okay. Okay, it is still in the range. Overall, it's still in the range. It is looking quite obvious. Like everybody can see the upside here. This is a strong candle. So we'll go as planned. I believe it's a little risky because first of all, it's in this range of daily range, or you can say a 2-day range. It gave a breakdown, but still it's back in the range. And the second thing is, in the lower time frame, people can see this breakout, so I'm not getting that confidence, but we will take the trade. I might go 2/3 quantity. This is a 15-minute order block. Let's see 5-minute there as expected. This might be a news candle. I didn't see. There is a news at 8:30, but that is CFH or something. It is not USD or any other pair, so it's nothing to worry about. Displacement is good. You can see this small closing in the sell side. The sell side is very weak. You can see the displacement over here, and this one candle displacement is good enough for us to see. If it manipulates any of these lows in a single candle or in a 3 minute, then I will go with full quantity. Otherwise, I will go half quantity. So we are bullish in NQ. We want the order block retest. It is a 5 minute, 15 minute, both 5 minute order block plus 1 minute break of structure, and we will go to third quantity, which will be around, which is $10 risk. Okay, so we are done with the analysis. There is still 2.5 minutes. Let's get ready with the charts. They're still down 4%. This is step 2, so in a way I'm positive that it's a good practice. Even if I'm going with low quantity, less quantity, ultimately whatever happens, it's a good practice. If even if it takes 20 days, I will be more used to my setup, then that is a good thing. And I can proudly say that it's not luck if I pass this one, because you have already seen the losing streak we have gone through. So in step 1 you can say there was luck involved because he had a very great winning streak in step 1, but in this phase so far luck is not on our side. Okay, GPP, what was the plan? 15-minute fair value gap. GBP is moving strong. I don't think it will come in the fair value gap. That's fine. We won't trade. We need that retracement because it's a good displacement, and without retracement, I need a good pullback in GBP, FVG. Okay, and Euro, 15-minute and 3-minute. Euro can give that pullback because it is not the leading index. It's moving slow, so we might get a trade in Euro. The 15-minute fair value gap is also a 15-minute order block. So two confluences, that's a good thing. FVG and order block, and Euro, and here JPY. This 5-minute breakout structure, it might go from here, but fine. I need a better. It's not a bad place to enter. If it sweeps the 5-minute candle, then also it's a good place to enter. But I'm not feeling that confidence. Market is about to open AUD. Let's see. Okay, and I will place gold here, JPY. Okay, this is a good place for entry because it's a order block plus fair value gap. It has already tapped in the fair value gap. I'm in AUD. It might get swept. Let's see. It's really small. Might get stopped out, but that might be the only trade because you can see we are wrong about the trend, and almost there. I might get stopped out in AUD. Still in breakdown of 1 minute, and I'll also enter in JPY. If it gives a breakout for upside, then I will go half quantity or 2/3 quantity because there is a good displacement. If it doesn't break this high, and before that if it gives a breakdown, then I can enter. This looks like it will give a stop loss, and there is something wrong with the charts in the. Okay, so we can also trade gold. 15-minute fair value gap. It is in the 1 minute breakout structure, and I can also trade gold. We got stopped out in AUD, and there was a spike. That's why we lost $18 instead of 15. I think we are wrong about the trend of the market, and we should not take any more trades. I will look if there is a good 1 minute breakout structure, then I might enter gold. Otherwise, it doesn't look like I should trade. Like JPY also going up, and it already gave a breakout structure for the upside in 5 minute. It is bullish. There is a fair value gap. I won't trade anymore. This is not our session. And there is a glitch in the trading view chart. My meta work is working, but there is a glitch over here. It has already given a big spike for the downside, and there is also a news at 8:30. So I am done for the day. We let me show you the PNL. We lost $18 in AUD. There was a spike. Fine. Overall, our balance is we are still there's still a lot of room for us to cover. Fine. I'll see you tomorrow. This session was not ours to trade, and I'll see you tomorrow in London session. Bye.